Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. And you will remember this little guy, his spikes are broken off. I said I'd tell you how I did those stamps decals. Well, it's really easy. I bought these things. These are nail stamps for bring it to a nail salon. They are, I don't know if you can see, kind of imprinted. And this is Halloween set. They do loads of different ones. Just a quick look at those. So that's the one there. So they come in a pack. You get loads of different packs. They are relatively cheap. I think about £5 for a set of the stamps. They came in a rather attractive pink folder. It doesn't matter what colour it is, does it? It's in the box anyway. It comes with one of these. So it's a stamp. It's a squidgy gel. I say gel style. It's like silicone, I suppose. It's got a littler version. It came with some extra bits and pieces. Some extra ones of those, and a spreader scraper, whichever it's called. The idea really is, you drop everything on the floor, is that you put the paint, well, you put the nail varnish on there, you scrape that bad boy off, you stamp it, and you put it on something. Now I've tried with nail varnish, and clearly I'm not a nail varnish technician because I can't make it work. What I can do is do it with paint. So I've been practicing with this. It takes a little bit of practice. I've had a couple of attempts on this and this. It's just one I painted black. Basically what you do is you choose your colour. Let's go with the colour you've seen before. I'm using the Vallejo model colour. I just really think it's worked really well. You can use Games Workshop or other paints, as other paints are available, but these just, for me, work. So brush in the paint, choose, what should we choose? Let's try this one, and you just paint it on. I find a dabbing technique works a lot better than brush. You get your scraper, you scrape it like so. You then get your dabber and you can roll it on. As I find it's easy to roll it, so you roll it sideways like that. You get the thing. Now, where I've not wiped it on there, it has got that top section. You can just rub it with your finger and it will just come off. There, see, that does come off. And you spot the point that you want, so we're going to put it in this bottom corner here, get it set right on the edge, and then roll it on. You've got a skull and crossbones. How easy is that? And when you're finished with that section, all you do is get your little pad, dip it in some water, drop it right in the water. Squeeze it out, and just wipe it, and it wipes clean. It's ready to go again. Dry it on a bit of cloth, he says, and that's ready to go. You can try another one. Which one should we try? Let's try a completely different thing. Let's try this. I'm going to try a bigger one. I'm going to try this little skelly here with plenty of paint. Let's give them a try. Dab on. Right. Let's wipe your scraper. Oh, that's worked quite well. Dabber. Use the big one for this one, I think. We're gonna roll it on. Oh, we've got a little skelly. And it's popping on here. Just gonna dab him on. Look at that. That is fantastic. And as I said, just wet it. I've got wet red water at the moment. Just wipe it over and it's gone. And same with this. Wipe the water, use the dry bit. That's ready and round to go. And so that's still relatively wet, but on the one we did on the skull and crossbones here, you can just wipe it off if you don't like it. It's not dried yet, but with the ones earlier on, so I tried these earlier, it's about an hour or so. When the paint cures, that doesn't wipe off. So that is set in stone or in paint, either or. That is just, I didn't wipe that one off at the bottom, but just literally wipe it over like so. I find if you dab it on your wrist or any bit of skin or something, just dries it. If you use the cotton pad, it tends to go a little bit bitty. Yeah, so there's your skelly, and they were both used off that. The skull from the front was the same. I mean, there you go. It's and as I said, these are just the Halloween ones. Use that one quite a bit for practice. You get ones with all different types of styles in them. I do have another type, which is patterns. I can't get this one to work. I don't know if it's my technique or the fact that it is designed for paint and not nail varnish. But we'll give it another go. Let's go with the blue green, because I love this colour. Give it a shake, and then just a little squirt. It could make such good patterns, but it just doesn't, for me, work very well. I don't know if that could have been re-scraped at the bottom. Yeah, I don't like this one. That's in the bin. Wouldn't recommend it. But the other ones, let's get a little, look at that skelly. I love that skelly. It is so easy with the patterns. I'm going to be getting a load more. I will put a link, it's going to be an Amazon affiliates link in the description where you guys can get these from. Have a look, check them all out. As I said, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different types, but I will do one specifically, the link will specifically be for these, which comes with your dabber and your pretty pink box as well. As I've said before, thanks for watching. As I said, there will be a Amazon affiliate links in the description, so you can check these out and stick in the paint as well. Also, we've got the Etsy page. It all helps to support the channel. We love making it, but it does cost some pennies. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're still listening. If you are, thanks a lot. If you're not, never mind. Until next time.